Hey there, collectors. So today we've got another thing to unbox. It is the Mondo Collectibles Godzilla figure by Urban Aztec, the Burning Variant Timed Edition, I guess. This one up for sale, geez, I want to say middle of last year, or something like that. It's been a while. The blue one is actually still on its way out, but let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look and see what it looks like. Let me pull it up in front of the camera. But that is the box art. It's insane. That is really cool. Oh, it looks like it got a little bit of a bump in the back here, in the corner. This box is really amazing. Oh, the flame wraps around too. Wow. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Wow, look at that guy. So here's the figure. We've got the fire. So we'll take this out. Oh, it looks like it uses a little magnet to connect. It's like solid vinyl. It's pretty cool. All right, so now to the big boy. Man, this guy's gonna pop under blacklight. I can feel it already. So this is the figure. He's a big boy. The coloring is very, very subtle. Like this is pink right here, and kind of a red and an orange up here. Looks super cool. Okay, let's connect this. You do have to kind of wedge it in here. There's some teeth marks up on the very top. And so if you just kind of click it in there, the magnet kind of helps hold in place. But it's not too hard to get out. A little twist action right here. And then you can kind of slide it in sideways. And it just clicks in. Those teeth will hold the fire in place. But that is how you get the fire in. So something I didn't notice at first is these little Godzilla faces here on the shoulders. But the detail on this is pretty amazing. Little teeth on the shoulders and Aztec spines. Pretty cool overall. There's a Mondo exclusive. Blacklight reactive. Let's light this guy up and see what he looks like under blacklight. This guy looks crazy. So this is the sides of him right here. The reds or I think that's the pink actually. But they definitely glow quite a bit. If I can get a side shot for you. Fun little piece. That's pretty much it. There wasn't much to put together on this figure. It's an amazing looking piece, but I hope you have a good day and happy collecting. Bum, 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 bum. Thinking the exact same fucking thing.